dalawa ang binili natin, para kapag may kausap tayo, at least meron din siyang sariling mic. So, ipa-plug in ko to. So, as you can hear me, may electric fan. So, nung na-plug in ko na siya, yan. So, una, wala mo na siyang audio. So, wala mo nang maririnig kapag nag-record. Pero pag nag-open na yung mic, so, ganito yung sound niya. So, hello. So, as you can see, I am trying out this Boya mic that I bought in Lazada. So, in blue, hindi pa nakaklick yung noise reduction yan. So, let's try to click it. Green naman yan. So, magta-turn siya ng green. So, kayo na bahala mag-judge to which sound is better, no? Kapag naka-blue lang ba siya or kapag naka-click yung noise reduction. So, mag-green siya. So, I think this is it. It's the start of the... Okay, take care guys. Ingat.